Daleks actually express complex emotions despite claiming to have none purged from their being. These metal monsters from Doctor Who behave exactly like toddlers throwing tantrums, gloating when they're winning and flying into absolute rages when someone outsmarts them. What's fascinating is how they convey all this emotion through their limited vocabulary and that iconic monotone voice. They rely on intensity and repetition rather than changing their tone. But here's the really weird part. Daleks have shown genuine appreciation for art and literature. In some episodes, they quote Shakespeare extensively and even have their own poetry called The Lament of the Non-Operational. So next time you hear a Dalek screaming, "Exterminate," remember you're basically listening to a highly intelligent but emotionally stunted child having a meltdown while secretly loving classic literature. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share if you find this interesting, and leave a comment to support us.